Next one, 9.18. Arrange benzene, normal hexane and ethyl in decreasing order of acidic behavior. Also give reason for this behavior. Here see benzene, N-hexane and ethyl. So the solution is, so benzene means, so it is the benzene. Next one, so hexane means CH3, CH2, 4, CH3. Next ethyl means CH triple bond CH. So here the structures benzene, hexane and ethyl. So it is the benzene, it is normal hexane and ethyl. Here every carbon is the sp2 hybridization. Every carbon is the sp2 hybridization. So every carbon is the sp2. Here in this place, every carbon is the sp3. sp3 hybridization in this place. Every carbon is the single bond. That means every carbon is the sp3 hybridization. In this place, so every carbon is the sp. Two carbons are sp hybridization. So in sp2 hybridization, percentage of s character is equal to, percentage of s character is equal to 33.33%. Percentage of s character 33.33. In this one, percentage of s character is equal to, so sp2 means 33 point. Here s character is 25%. Here percentage of s character is equal to 50%. So s character is totally 3. Among 3, s is 1. That means 100 by 3. So 33.3. Among 4, sp3 means 4. 4 among s orbital is 1. So 100 by 4. So that's 125%. This is 1 sp. So among 2, s is 1. So 100 by 2, 50%. So the reason, if s character is increases, acidic strength is increases. Acidic strength is increases. If s character is increases, acidic strength is increases. So highest acidic character is ethyl. So first one, ethyl greater than. Next, second place, so benzene. Second place benzene 33.3. Last place N-hexane. So last one N. So highest ethyl, second place benzene, next least place N-hexane. It is the acidic character. The reason is, if S character is increases, acidic strength is also increases. That is the reason. Thank you.